In this video, I will help you fix the Trust This Computer alert not showing on your iPhone. Sometimes, when you connect your iPhone to a computer, this message does not appear. This can be frustrating, especially if you need to transfer files or sync your device. I will go through some easy steps to help you solve this issue. First things first, completely unplug your iPhone from your computer. Next, locate and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once inside Settings, scroll down until you find General, then tap on it. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the General menu and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, tap on Reset. Then select Reset Location and Privacy Settings. You will be prompted to enter your passcode for security purposes. Finally, confirm by tapping Reset Settings. This action will reset your location and privacy settings and should prompt that Trust This Computer pop up again when reconnecting. If resetting location and privacy settings didn't fix the issue, let's move over to your computer for some additional troubleshooting steps. Reconnect your iPhone to your computer using the USB cable. Locate the Windows icon in your taskbar and click it. In the Start menu, click on Settings. Once in Settings, look for options on the left side panel and click on Bluetooth and Devices. Next, select View More Devices. Under the section labeled Other Devices, find your iPhone listed there. Click on it and then choose the option to remove it from this list. After removing it, unplug your iPhone from the computer once again. Then plug it back in one more time. With any luck, this process should trigger that Trust This Computer prompt you're looking for. If you followed these steps carefully but still don't see the alert pop up, there may be other underlying issues at play such as software glitches or outdated drivers which might require further investigation or professional assistance. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.